Hello and happy Mother's Day, lovely green visionaries. To all of our moms out there, I hope you got so spoiled today. And for those of you that have moms, which is most of us, I hope that you spoiled them as well. It's time for a moment with Mandy, and I am super excited to share that our team is doing amazingly. Our goal of 45 of my personals and 200 of the entire team is going to take a group effort, and so many of you have already committed to doing this, and thank you so much. It is amazing what we are achieving together. Heather Hurdle was the lucky winner of the week one basket of $400 of Norwex product and business items. And I can't wait to give it to her. We'll try and get a picture when she receives it. She was super excited to be the lucky draw winner. And I look forward to seeing who wins week two's $250 basket coming this Thursday. You have until midnight on Wednesday to hit your $250 in subtotal 8 to be part of the draw. So make sure you get it in there. I am going to give you some extra tips today to try and hit your 250 in sales, which will keep you engaged as a consultant for another 6 months. So for those of you who are part-time, it will be a way to maintain your status and to share Norwex with just a few more people to extend that green clean word out there in your communities. I am going to give you a challenge today as well, a way to get some extra entries into the draw once you have your 250. And I would love for you guys to put on a product tip on our Facebook page. So pick your favorite product, share how you talk about it and why you love it. Even if there's some demos that you do for those of you who are doing parties, if you share this on our team page, I'll give you 2 extra entries into the draw. And I am going to say right now, no repeating. So make sure you look to see who has talked about what and how they've talked about it before you put it on there, because we want it to be very unique. It'll be a wonderful resource for our catalog and part-time consultants. And honestly, I think it'll be great for those of us who have been doing it for several years as well. I still always learn from new consultants. They have a different perspective on the way to use things. And I love how we all share as a team. I really think it's what keeps us strong. Today's $250 tip is brought to you by your fellow green visionaries. There were some amazing ideas shared on our Facebook page, and the number one tip that I saw on there was to give a gift and get a gift. Why go to the store to buy birthday presents, wedding presents, housewarming presents, baby shower presents, or Father's Day presents when you are a resource of unique, environmentally friendly, and new technology-based items? If you have a wedding coming up, the towels are so amazing. Those of you that are already using the towels, you know that there is no going back to cotton. New baby, hooded towel set, an immediate favorite. New home, household package, of course. But tea towels and a dishcloth and the dish liquid are a really genuine and nice gift for new people as well when they're in their new home. The sky's the limit with that one. May 2 survival kit. EnviroClaws for sticky hands for marshmallows and quick cleanup. It's one that you definitely want to be traveling with. Body Claws make less packing for taking care of your skin and body. And plus, it's just nice to have a quick and easy way to clean the way that you want when you're out in the wilderness. End of year teacher gifts is one too. Don't forget about that. It's coming up fast, moms. You want to make sure that you're getting your teachers something to show your thanks. Hand cleanser and travel EnviroPack claws are favorites for my teachers. I give that to them every year, and they really enjoy being able to use that over the summer and have it in their classrooms for the next year. When you share Norwex as a gift, you give, but you're also receiving. You're supporting a local business, which is you. You are earning $87.50 in commission, not too shabby, just by sharing that extra $250. And it continues to green the people you touch with your business. So read through the catalog as if you're a customer again. What items would have you liked to have gifted to you? We all know the basics, the household package. That's definitely one that people like to start with. But when it comes to some of our extra items, they see that more as something that maybe they won't get right now, but it makes a perfect gift to give to them. One more idea that I'll leave you with today is to have an email sale. So one of our part-time green visionaries came to visit me this week, and she said that she was able to collect a small party for herself just by emailing her previous customers and hostesses and offering them free shipping. So she entered the party in as a group sale under one name, so it only cost her one shipping cost, had it all shipped to her, and then delivered it out to her friends. And she was able to enjoy the hostess rewards for herself, which is always enjoyable. Nothing like getting a new EnviroCloth, I always say. I still get excited about that too. So check out the email template below You can copy and paste that right into an email and send it out. It's a great way to stay connected and being part of helping our team make history in May. One more idea, have a Victoria Day sale. It's one way that you could do your email sale as well. It's May 2-4 and tenting season, and Norwex is perfect for on the go. The travel pack, of course, mattress spray for refreshing tents and sleeping bags, caravans, cottages, and rentals, and also alleviates allergies. Those of you who are suffering from allergies already, you know how much that mattress spray helps to make sure that you're not feeling quite as sneezy and wheezy in the morning. So I'm looking forward to mid-month. What an amazing team we have. It's unbelievable how many people are already taking part in our Spring into Action event. And I hope to hear from you all. Please enjoy the rest of your Sunday, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye!